where the fuck you been. They know where the flow's been at, so dope with the raps that you feel like you smoked the bag every time I approach the track. It's the nerve and the chill and we murder bills like Kim Jong. We be ill with the verbal skills. It kicks off like a drill, so observe the real or pistol.
Jump on it.
That's come in.
Yeah, it's nearly out. Go, one more. Kick it. Push it down with your leg.
Watch out, Liam. Dave, can you put that piece of wood in the top? Not hold that, Dave, like that.
Pull it out.
Don't let it go, Dave.
Or you'll get fucked up.
Pair of pliers there.
New ones are in.
Right, I have to get around here a bit more. Okay, yep.
Oh, that one was a bit easier.
Pliers, Liam. Pull that out, Dave, if you want.
Pull it out.
Yeah? Yeah. Go anywhere.
There's the old ones. Oh, you need that bit, eh?
Yes.
Don't worry about the top bit. Not really fussed. I'm gonna get her sagging soon. About out of there. Never really showed you the interior, eh? Pretty much just a normal classic VX. But nah, it's pretty clean. It's dirty at the moment, but it's clean. Clean car. Got the new ones in now. Didn't actually show you how wobbly these are. That's because they're lowered. Yeah. Oh well. Putting the axle back on. Then we go around to the boot. Fucking hell, don't squish him. No, I'm joking. They're all loose. Right.
Rubber off first.
Be back. I've got the axle going back in now. Gotta always remember to loosen it because sometimes I forget. There's that cord there, whatever that was for the airbags, or they're not called airbags, they're like some towing thing, but I call them airbags because I have no fucking idea what they're called. But that looks way better, right?
Fucking wheel cannon.
Need to do the fronts now.
That much out of the cut, would it? Yeah.
How better does that look? I mean, I'd want it lower, but that's nice. See, wait, push down on it or sit on it. Oh, the jack. Oh no, see, I want it like that.